Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Blanca Yvette and welcome. I do post videos on here every Tuesday and Thursday, and if you guys are not new here, then welcome back. If you guys do want to be part of the family, then make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also that like button if you guys are enjoying this video. But today's video is going to be Amazon's favorites, but it's going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be showing you guys some decor pieces that I picked up on Amazon for a super affordable price. You don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to decorate your house, and a lot of you guys always ask me where I get like my rugs, where I got certain pieces for decor. So I wanted to do this specifically just all Amazon based, so you guys that are wondering where I got all those little pieces, you guys will finally know where I picked them up. And I will also link everything down below for you guys, so if you guys want to pick up any of these products, you guys can go ahead and do so as well. So technically I'm going to be giving you guys, I guess, like a little home tour, because I am going to go through my whole house and just pick and point at like the things that I kind of really feel like made a difference here in the house. And just like little pieces that I really like, and hopefully that can help me out because we were doing a lot of home decor shopping. This vacuum here is a iRobot, so basically it just keeps my whole house spotty clean, especially with Max being so little. I want to make sure that it's cleaning up all the little pieces that I forget or throughout the day that I can't get. So it does vacuum for you and make sure, and it also takes itself back into the dock. And you guys see how smart it is, like it won't run into anything. It won't run into anything, and it will keep your house super clean. Like I said, I try to not sweep every single day, so that really helps me out. So then I'll end up sweeping like maybe once a week, like every Monday, and it takes care of like all the little stuff for like Max, especially if you have a little baby. Little section here, I was one of my favorites. I actually have 3 sets of these all over my house, and they're super inexpensive. You guys know that vases can be really pricey. Then down here I did get some books. I have the Elements of Style black and white. The whole theme of the house is black and white, so I wanted to just pick up some books and some little pieces. This little section here was also created from Amazon, so I will link all that down below. And then I also got this little vase as well. So all of these just really brought the actual home together. And so these little ottomans, I was looking everywhere for these. Mind you guys, they are so expensive. If you go anywhere else like Wayfair, Home Goods, they're like $150 to $200 a piece. So I found these on Amazon. The reviews were amazing. I believe they were like 60 bucks if I'm not mistaken, but per little ottoman, which is still kind of pricey, but the quality of them look absolutely amazing. I love it. I love that they're knitted, and I feel like they kind of brought my whole living room together. Like, I feel like this was like the little divider that I needed. So like, if you guys don't know, my living room and my baby's playroom are literally right next to each other. So I kind of wanted something that was going to divide and separate those 2 rooms without a wall or anything like that being placed in between. So little ottomans, great for your living room. Okay, so now that we're getting into the kitchen, I want to go in and just show you guys organizers. Everything in my kitchen is now in organizers, and I feel like that's kind of what's keeping my kitchen looking absolutely A1. So if you guys can see here in the pantry, we actually did organize our cereal, some snacks, as well as got these baskets here for bread and chips and all that stuff. It's kind of scattered right now because Ulises decided to buy 3 more cereals, and it's like bothering me up there, but I need to finish all of those before I can replace them. But all those containers are all from Amazon. You guys can get them at the Container Store, but I mean, I get everything from Amazon, like I always say. The cereal ones are super bomb. They're the OXO brand. And then these baskets here came in 4, so I decided to put 2 of them in my pantry. I think I have one back here too. No, I don't have one. I thought I had one back there, but I have 2 here, and then I also have one for my not super cluttered, anything like that. So they came in a pack of 4, like I said, so I was just trying to make use for all of them. And then in this drawer here, I also got some organizers, and I got these organizers for the medicine cabinet. I got these all on Amazon as well. And this is where we just basically put all of the vitamins, all of our painkillers. This one specifically is for Max. I need to get a labeler so I can label everything. And then this is where I have all of my vitamins, all my prenatal vitamins. And then I also have some more vitamins over here. Okay, so for my table, the actual table itself obviously is not from Amazon, but the decor. So you guys see what I created here with the plate and the cover. I don't even know what they're called. I got the whole setup on Amazon, so I will link it down below. Super inexpensive. And then this little florero here, I don't know if it looks real on camera. Does it look real on camera? So it's actually not real, it's fake. And the flowers are silk. I got this whole silk setup on Amazon, and you guys know how expensive flowers are. Like at Hobby Lobby, shade but no shade, like that would have cost me like 50 or 60 bucks because their flowers are so freaking overpriced. Amazon actually has amazing flowers, and I've purchased many flowers for them before, so this one's probably one of my favorite. I love how the orange just kind of brings a little bit of color to my house because everything is black and white and nude, so it definitely gives it like a really nice pop of color. So that's what I added for the table. Okay, so pillows, guys. Pillows are very important, and if you are somebody like me who always wants to change the color of my pillows and I'm wasting so much money, I would suggest to get pillow covers and not actual pillows like these. These came with the couch, but the pillow covers, you can switch them out anytime, and it's super genius. And honestly, I don't know how I didn't even know this, but the material is also really nice. So this is like a really pretty suede pillow that I got. And I actually had these pillows in my old house, and they were pink before. So all I did was just get the cover, stuff in the pillow prior to that, fold it up, washed, you know, the other ones, and put those away. And it was so much easier for me to put that away instead of me storing a bunch of pillows like this, you know, in a container or anything like that, or trying to get rid of them, which I have gotten rid of a lot of pillows because I always like to, you know, change. Like say for Christmas, I like to have like red pillows, and then for Thanksgiving, I like to have like orange pillows. So I was wasting a lot of money on these pillows that you couldn't change the covers on. So now with Amazon, I decided to just get the inserts of the pillows and then just get covers, and it honestly saved me a lot of money, and their stuff is actually really good quality. Also, when we moved into this house, everything in this house has a remote for some weird reason. The fans have remotes, there's surround sound, everything has remotes, our pool has remotes. We just had a bunch of remotes for everything. So I had a bunch of remotes laying around. They were all scattered. Max was like playing with them and breaking them and just ruining all the remotes. So I decided to just get me this little, I don't even know what you would call it, but it's like this little holder. I think it's like a fruit holder. And I just placed all the remotes. So I have like the fan remote. You guys see it's broken. I have the fan remote. And then I have cable, the TV. I have, I think this is for like the lights. And then I have the thing for my vacuum. Like I have a shitload of remotes. I don't even know why I have so many of them, but it keeps everything in place, stored, organized. So little things like this really just make a big difference. Oh, I just turned on my fan. It really makes a big difference in just keeping your house organized. So I get a lot of questions on the rug, and I actually have the rug from Amazon as well. This one is a size 10 by 12, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I will have a link down below. I have this big one here in my living room, and then I also have a smaller one in my beauty room, which I'm gonna take you guys upstairs and just kind of show you a few of how those look up there real quick. But yeah, this is the rug that I have in my beauty room. And if you guys can also see the chair, I also got that chair on Amazon, and it comes in a set of 4. So I have 2 in my office, 1 in here, and then 1 in Evette's room. So these were super inexpensive. I think I paid like 60 bucks for the 4 chairs, which I thought was a steal just because we did need 4 chairs, and they look really nice and they're so comfortable. So this is something I really wanted to share with you guys, because you guys know that we did renovate a lot of the house. And a lot of people probably would not think to go to Amazon to get stuff for your home as far as renovations go. So I actually got this whole little setup here on Amazon. I got the sink and then I got the waterfall faucet. But the fact that I created this with just using Amazon is amazing. So I did get this little setup here from there as well. Those were some of my Amazon favorites for home decor. I honestly probably missed so many things because I just buy everything on Amazon. It just makes life so much easier for me. But the items that I did select and that I did wanted to share with you guys, I hope that if you guys do pick them up, you guys love them just as much as I did. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. That way it's easier for you guys to be able to purchase if you guys want to get any of these items. But I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Love you guys.